Hi. So with summer, obviously it's a good time to talk about heat and in the context of climate change, which is one of the factors with extremely high temperatures in certain parts, like in our country. And today we talk about how we can mitigate it or adapt to it, uh, to the impact of it, which is heat in this case. And we are talking about in the context of urban settlements or informal settlements in urban areas, where the roof temperatures can go up to 50 degrees, which, as you can imagine, might have a huge impact on the quality of life of people living. So everything becomes extremely difficult and inefficient, and not to mention the sleep gets affected. And this unequally affects the women as well, who are carrying out a lot of chores in the household setup. So our nonprofit partner has worked on multiple solutions, some of which you can see like this and this. So these solutions have been tried in various cities across India, and multiple models have been tried in terms of how they work in terms of reducing the temperatures, and the temperatures have been brought down up to 15 degrees in many cases by these solutions. As you can see, these are very simple to assemble and implement by training the fabricators or the builders, as the case may be, and they use agri-waste, they used upcycled materials, so it does not require very expensive raw material to build these solutions. How do we plan to sort of scale it up, or how do we plan to implement this? Now, for that, what we are looking to do is build like heat cooperatives led by women who will both have the technical know-how as well as the financial sort of, you can say, the funds to implement these solutions, wherein it will be implemented by at a local area by this group, while and the households can pay as you go sort of a model, where they will pay a small amount month on month, which will work out for them, which will also have an impact on the cooling aspect of it. Now, obviously, we don't expect that this will start becoming profitable or viable at the first go. So what we are looking at is CSR funds to bridge this gap to ensure this model runs. And once a few years into running, we expect this to sort of sustain. And this can be implemented in multiple cities across India. So based on wherever you are and wherever you want to work with, we can figure out a model which works for you. So if you are a philanthropist or a CSR manager head, you can write to us and we'll share more details. Till then, stay cool and stay hydrated this summer.